Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're back to show you the final process on these French fries. And we've already blanched them at 320 degrees. I cranked up the heat to 360. And while I was waiting for the oil to heat up, we put the blanched French fries, we laid them out neatly on some parchment paper and put them inside the refrigerator and let them chill a little bit. So we've got the finished product here. We've got a nice golden brown color to them, and they're nice and crispy. And I've got a paper towel on top of some parchment paper here, so I can just flip those out and soak up any of the residual oil that's still left. We're just going to go ahead and pat these. And again, there's a lot of store-bought French fries that you can get out there. They're already frozen. They've actually already been par-cooked, and that's the reason that you're able to actually fry them immediately into the fry basket, is because they've been par-cooked. We're just going to grind some fresh ground sea salt on these guys so it'll kind of stick to them while they're warm. And that is a done deal. Again, here's the before and after. These are the blanched fries. And these are the finished French fries. And those are ready to go, and you can just keep them warm in the oven. Just keep them separated so they're not all on top of each other and sticking together and such. And you can keep those warm in the oven while you finish frying the rest of the meal or cooking the rest of the meal.